Are you looking for a brighter smile? Teeth whitening is popular, both the over-the-counter products and professional whitening. Well, tonight we're taking you through the process in a live demonstration. Our Linda Hurtado joins us now live from a Palm Harbor dentist office with more. Linda?
Hi, Brendan. We all want white teeth, don't we? We are live in Palm Harbor at Dr. Galinsky's office. We have two of our ABC Action News employees in the chair. This is Amanda, and she's almost done. They're getting their teeth whitened at no cost to them so that you can get a demonstration of what it's actually like. Now, this is Kelly, and she's about 15 minutes into that Zoom process. We all know that there are different ways to whiten your teeth. There are these strips that you can get at any drugstore, or you can go the route that Kelly is going and get it professionally done. This is actually called Zoom whitening, and Dr. Galinsky in a moment is going to take us through the steps of the professional whitening, as well as kind of talk to us a little about the difference between what you'll get if you do that and what you'll get if you do one of these. So you want to stay tuned for that. Back to you.
Tonight, we're taking you behind the scenes when it comes to teeth whitening. A live demonstration is taking place right now. We want to check back in with our Linda Hurtado, who's live at a Palm Harbor dentist office where the procedure is now underway. Linda, how's it going out there?
Well, this has been a lot of fun, actually, Wendy. We have two of our employees sitting in the chairs here who are getting their teeth whitened at no cost to them so that all of you at home can see what this is like. Amanda, who you just saw, is actually finished. But Kelly over here is about 15 minutes into the process. Now, as I understand it, after you have the bleach on for about 15 minutes, the doctor takes it off and then wants to check and see how white your teeth are getting. So let's ask Dr. Galinsky. Let's see if Eugene can zoom in here, too, and see if we see a difference. This is after 15 minutes of bleaching.
So Amanda started out, Kelly started out at an A3, which is way up here. And this is how it compares to her teeth now after 15 minutes, which is pretty much towards the light end of the scale. So I think we're going to get fabulous results with her.
We'll probably only do one more 15 minutes with her then.
Yeah, that's probably it.
While we've got this close-up, what is that blue-green stuff above the teeth and what is the purpose?
That is a gel that we put over the gums to help protect the gums from the bleach material. And then this is a separator that helps to protect the lips. And this instrument here helps to protect the tongue so that it doesn't get on any of the soft tissue.
Now, what is actually in that bleach and how does it work to whiten the teeth?
It's either a hydrogen peroxide or a carbamide peroxide, and it penetrates the enamel and goes to the yellow dentin and makes the dentin white.
Now, we don't actually have the Zoom light on her right now, but that was on her. What is the magic of the light?
The magic of the light is that it speeds up the bleach material that's on the teeth so that it whitens much more quickly.
Okay, let's talk about these strips real quick. People want to know, do I really need to spend the $400 to do the professional whitening, or hey, can I get away with doing the strip that's, what, 20 bucks?
Some people can get away with the strips, and especially the younger people. Their teeth don't require that much strength. But every bleach material bleaches teeth depending on how much time you leave it on your teeth and how much strength of bleach material is on the strip or the product that you're using.
And this only takes an hour, which I think is the appeal to a lot of folks. It's quick. Okay, I mentioned Amanda is finished, and she's what, had 3 rounds or 2?
She had 3.
She had 3 rounds. So when we return, we'll take a look at the results for Amanda. Back to you. I'm Linda Hurtado in Palm Harbor. 2 of our employees are having their teeth whitened by a dentist. Did they have any problems, and are they happy with the results? We'll answer both of those questions live at 5:50. See you then.
You know, teeth whitening is so popular these days because, I mean, who wouldn't want to have a more dazzling smile? The question is, which method works best? Tonight, we're taking you behind the scenes for a live demonstration. We're going to check back in with our Linda Hurtado, who is live at a Palm Harbor dentist. Linda, do you have any results for us?
We do, Brendan, and this is called the Zoom procedure here that they're doing at Dr. Galinsky's office. We've been doing this demonstration throughout the 5 o'clock news. This is Kelly, and she is just finishing, and I can tell you she's very glad to get all of that out of her mouth. But Amanda, she actually started at 4 o'clock this afternoon. The process takes about an hour, so she is completely wrapped up, and she can tell us what it was like. What was the whole process like?
It was very awkward to have all that stuff in your mouth and to have your mouth open for so long. My jaw started hurting, but I'm really excited with the results, and they look a lot better than I thought it was going to look. It's really white. I know at the end, the bottom got a little sensitive, but they were able to put something on that to make it feel better. Now they feel fine.
So it was a gel that they put on to desensitize what was hurting?
Yeah, I think it was the relief gel, and it helped a lot, and now they feel fine. I don't feel anything.
Okay, well, let's attempt here to show you some of the results. Hold up, first of all, this chart. This is where, right here, where she started, and then the other one at the end is where she ended. I've noticed, though, that it's kind of hard on television to distinguish between the shades of white, so we quickly produced some before and after pictures. If we can go to those, you will see Amanda's before and her after picture. And again, I'm not quite sure what you're seeing at home, but I can tell you, standing here next to her, that her teeth do indeed look whiter. That's my unbiased opinion. All right, coming up tonight at 11, we're going to continue our report. You will see before and after pictures of both of our employees, and we're going to talk with some experts on the side effects and any dangers that come along with teeth whitening, and that is tonight at 11 o'clock. Back here live in Palm Harbor, Linda Hurtado, ABC Action News. I'm Linda Hurtado, live in Palm Harbor with the results of our teeth whitening demonstration, how Kelly went from this to this, when we return.
Teeth whitening is popular when it comes to getting a brighter smile. At 5 o'clock, we showed you a live demonstration, and now we're going to go back out to get more results. So Linda Hurtado joins us live from Definitive Dental in Palm Harbor with the very latest. Linda, how do they look?
They look great, Wendy. Now, about 5:50, we showed you Amanda's results because she started earlier. Now we are ready to show you Kelly's results. Kelly actually went from this to this. Now, I know from experience it's a little hard to tell the different shades of white on TV, so we had some pictures pre-produced for you. We just took them and got them in. If we can see those, it might be a little easier to tell. The dentist tells me that Kelly's teeth were actually darker, and she ended up whiter than Amanda. Is that unusual?
No, it's not unusual at all. Everybody's teeth respond differently, Linda.
I see a smile on that face. Are you happy with the results, Kelly?
Very happy. Yeah.
All right. Well, tonight at 11, we are actually going to talk to some experts about the side effects and any dangers that might come along with teeth whitening. So I'm inviting you to join me on ABC Action News tonight at 11.
Teeth bleaching is the most common and effective way to get a whiter smile. In fact, today, one of our ABC Action News colleagues went into the dentist chair and came out with a whiter, brighter smile. But does that smile come at a painful price? In her Taking Action for Your Health report, Linda Hurtado asks the experts.
I think we need the biggest size.
Teeth whitening is a big business for dentists like Dr. Edilia Glensky.
How you doing there, Jay?
Good.
She's brightened more than 1,000 smiles by using solutions of either carbamide peroxide or hydrogen peroxide. She says bleaching is safe, but not without side effects. For local actor Jay Reckenwald, a common problem occurred about 45 minutes into his procedure. Dr. Glensky stopped bleaching his bottom teeth due to teeth sensitivity.
It can happen at any point during the whitening process. That's why it's important to have a hand signal that we recognize if you're having anything like that happening.
Sharp pains, also referred to as zingers, don't just occur in the dentist chair. Stephanie Joseph, who's studying to be a dental hygienist, used over-the-counter white strips.
Whenever I use the white strips, I experienced pretty severe sensitivity, and this was before I entered the program at school, and I didn't know what caused the sensitivities.
Now Stephanie knows desensitizing toothpaste can help.
And I've even put the potassium nitrate toothpaste into the bleaching trays that I have, and I'll let that sit on my teeth for about 15-30 minutes, and that kind of helps to depolarize the nerve impulse, which can cause the pain.
Another potential side effect?
If you get it on your gums or your lips or your tongue, it can burn, and it's very uncomfortable. You can get some swelling, you can get a little white spot. That also is transient.
Meaning it will go away quickly. Sandy Marcel teaches at St. Pete College's School of Dental Hygiene.
The advantage to going to your dentist would be that they will do a thorough examination for you. And if, in fact, your discoloration is caused by a disease such as cavities, you will know that.
If the Zoom material or any other kind of bleaching material gets into the nerve, it can be extremely uncomfortable.
And finally, bleaching won't work for everyone. Dr. Glensky says porcelain veneers or crowns won't change color, and bleaching won't work for people who use tetracycline as children.